Hi guys, I ordered a palette, which I received today from Ucanbe. An eye palette, often referred to as an eyeshadow palette, is a versatile and essential tool in the world of makeup. Okay, we receive a free goodie with palette and a concealer brush. And it is tightly packed to save it from any damage. And here it is. Check the colors, how beautiful they are. This palettes feature a mix of matte, shimmer, and satin finishes, allowing for endless creativity in eye makeup, whether it's a sultry smoky eye or a playful pop of color. And check, this palette is highly pigmented. I really love this palette. If you enjoy the video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.